Hello friends and welcome to the tutorial number 4 of our Next.js series. In this tutorial, we will talk about the major features of how to build your Next.js application. Next.js provides building blocks to create flexible and full stack web applications. Our tutorials are organized sequentially from basic to advanced. So you can follow them tutorial by tutorial while learning to build your Next.js application. However, you can learn them in any order or skip the tutorials that apply to your use case. If you are new to Next.js, we recommend you to start with routing, then rendering, then data fetching, then styling. These tutorials introduce the fundamental Next.js and web concepts to help you get started. Then we will dive deeper into other advanced tutorials such as optimization, configuring, deploying, and upgrading. The skeleton of every application is routing. Next video will be introducing you to the fundamental concepts of routing for the web and how to handle routing in Next. We appreciate you watching this video till the end. Thank you so much for your support. If you found this video helpful, please do
Like, subscribe, tap the bell notification, and thanks for watching.